Hello, for today's Tableau skill build, I will be showing you how you can selectively filter a hierarchy. So a normal hierarchy in Tableau works like this. You can expand and you can see subcategories within a category. And then when you see problems or good things, you can expand even more to view the products. But now you've got a lot of products and you have to scroll down, and there are my products for tables. So is there a way to only expand the table section without expanding the other subcategories? Well, up until now, no. But with set actions, you can do this in Tableau. Here's a little workbook we've done. So it has the same columns, subcategory and product ID. They are by default empty, but when you click on a category, you have two options to expand to subcategory and product. So now you see within the subcategory, and now you can see the products without expanding of the other. You can also expand multiples. So if I were to expand using my control these two, I can also see what's under technologies, but I haven't expanded the product. But by clicking on machines, for instance, I can also expand machines. And then clicking tables, I can expand tables again, and I can see the two subcategories which were on negative profit